Today, I will compare the two most popular brokers who are commission-free in the UK. These stocks brokers, namely Trading 212 and free trade platforms, have reinvented how people buy and sell stocks. Starting your investment journey with the right broker will save you lots of money. Remember, as an investor, your goal is to generate wealth and build your portfolio to achieve maximum profit. And the zero-fee trade application platform will help you to achieve just that. However, before I start, I'd like to state that I'm not financially incentivized, not paid by any of these brokers to carry out this review. It's a privilege for me to help my audience, more so the new beginners in stock investing, to save money on commission. Welcome to my channel, and please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, I use both platforms to carry out my trading activities, stocks investing. And one unique aspect of the two brokers is that they are both covered and regulated by financial conduct and financial compensation scheme, meaning you can deposit up to £80,000, and should anything happen to this company, your money is safe. What I call reassurance on your investment. It's a win-win scenario. A good way to start is to have a look at the investment broker comparison table on your screen. And when you carefully look at the other three brokers, apart from Trading 212 and free trade, you will realize that they all charge money. You'll be charged a commission on any trade executed using their platform, while Trading 212 and free trade does not charge commission. Trading 212 does not charge ISA fee, while free trade charge the sum of £3 as a commission on any ISA trade executed. Free trade will charge you 0.45 on any US stocks you buy, while Trading 212 does not charge foreign exchange fee. Trading 212 has more than 2,500 stocks available to you as a customer to choose from, while free trade offers just over 500 stocks. On Trading 212 platform, you are provided with over 500 ETFs, while free trade offers 60 ETFs on their platform. As a stock investor, trading on platform 212, you are exposed to the US, UK, Germany, Austria, Netherlands, France, and Switzerland markets, while US and UK are the two markets available to you on free trade platform. Trading 212 has the leverage of fractional shares to offer, which make it very attractive to people. In effect, more customers can now buy shares from companies like Apple, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, and Facebook as low as £1, while free trade does not offer such fractional shares yet, but it's in the pipeline. It's worth to mention that you can trade Forex, crypto, and gold at zero commission on Trading 212 platform, while free trade does not offer this instrument. Now, to be more in-depth, let's talk about customer services. According to Trading 212 website, it said that they have 24/7 live chat, email, and phone customer support. This is not usually the case. Maybe they have a better explanation. However, according to free trade, they stated that they will attend to customer requests within 24 hours, which are considered not suitable for market condition, particularly for customers who would like to take a quick decision and require adequate information as soon as possible. Meanwhile, it may come to you as a surprise that a free trade agent, I can't remember her name now, responded to my text messages within 2 hours, and she tried to resolve an ongoing issue. Platforms. Both stockbrokers have created a unique mobile trading application platforms. Meanwhile, Trading 212 has moved a step further. You can buy stocks and sell it on your desktop. And Trading 212 phone application is very robust, easy to navigate, and with more functionalities embedded in the application. For instance, you can access company financial statement, balance sheet, income statement, dividend yield, and PE ratio. And that will provide you with a preview of the company's financial status and other fundamentals. It's a good way to start. Hidden cost. And you should also be aware that both brokers charge stamp duties, let's say 0.5%, on the purchase of your stocks in the UK. It is a UK tax. And if and when you trade frequently, you should also be aware of bid and ask spread charges. How they both make money. Trading 212 makes money through their CFD trading section. Field Trade makes revenue from the £1 instant order and from their premium account. Field Trade will charge you the sum of £3 per month for stocks and shares. ISA. Just to note, ISA is a tax-efficient management of your investment. With Free Trade, if and when you want to withdraw money from your account as soon as possible, there is a charge of £5. However, both are tax-free, I think up to £20,000 in the UK per person. Both companies don't offer retirement account as at yet. Incentives. Both stockbrokers offers free stocks when you invite a friend to use their link to register and purchase a stock. Unique features on Trading 212 platform. Trading 212 execute trade very quick without any charges, while Free Trade merge trade and sometimes execute it daily after 4 p.m. In effect, this practice could affect the price at which the order is executed. And the quick trade execution offered by Trading 212 is a leverage to buy and sell within hours, weeks, and days. Deep drip. As at the time of this presentation, both brokers do not have drip functionalities in their platform. However, Trading 212 will inform you as soon as possible about your dividend payment, but they do not have the dividend investment plan features in their platform. They will deposit the dividend payment in your account and you would have to pick it and reinvest it. And this strategy could retard the compounding power of dividend in your account. In summary, the two brokers, no doubt, have reinvented how people buy and sell stocks, more so in today's volatile market conditions, which in effect makes stock investment easy for the majority of people across diverse demographic. My review is very objective. It is not to discredit any of the brokers. It's rather a challenge for the two brokers to continue to offer a more robust and dynamic service in the future. Okay, here comes the best part. Please subscribe to share your comment below. The goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.